I do have this like feeling of stress in my head right now, and I think it's just mainly because I'm like doing this meaningless traveling like on my own. It just feels like pointless. I'm riding in the rain. This sucks. There's nobody else around me, so that kind of like amplifies it a little bit. Switching out the clothes and then putting on a thermal, I think will help out a lot. There's a deer right there.
Back off, little man. I'm on that mountaintop.
Wow, he didn't react at all. What?
So I'm not gonna lie and say that was a good learning experience, considering I've already learned how to ride in the rain. It's nothing special to me, but yeah, we can definitely get something warmer than these clothes, so we'll be right back.
What I didn't expect to have happen, and this is kind of weird, but there's a light dust of salt and grime all over. We're gonna take some wax to it, and just like that, we got our shiny and new. So I'm gonna clear wax and wash. I mean, things aren't gonna be brand new forever. It's okay, like we buy things to use them. And like I said, I got into some much warmer clothes. Sweatpants now, we got the, we got the same t-shirt on there, but we got a thermal, nice winter jacket, so we're gonna head out. Riding or not, I may be the only one that shows up tonight, which would be a major bummer. Granted, I've been riding already, so my bike is already kind of messed up from the water. And I just want to preface this by saying I can't blame them for not showing up if they don't show up later. However, it's also 60 degrees on December 30th, 2022. I feel like I would be heading out regardless of anything that's going on. Whoa, that's terrifying. And here we are. This is our stop. And I see another biker, so we're not alone. See, I knew I couldn't be the odd one out, not showing up. This is fine. Everyone's overreacting. Oh, it's water. We're gonna get wet. No, you're not. Come on. Well, I mean, you might get a little bit wet, but it's not that big of a deal. Good to see you, buddy. No, it's okay. I gotta get my earplugs out so I can actually hear you. But... Yeah, I was gonna say, you are like the fastest thing on the road now. Nothing's gonna catch you.
Yeah, no, I'm not worried. I don't even have my plate.
Oh, really?
I have a plate.
I don't either.
You don't have yours on there either?
I'm not registered anymore, bro. I'm like...
You're not?
No, it expired on my birthday. And then it's gonna rain all day tomorrow.
I literally cleaned my bike, and then you were like, come to the pier. I'm like...
Well, look, we're gonna be riding Sunday, Monday anyway.
Oh, are you?
Well, yeah, it's gonna be 50 degrees.
I didn't even know.
What up, buddy?
What's going on?
Good to see you too.
So, some girl on Tinder, right? I was like, yeah. I was like, we can go out, right? Yeah. I was like, I'll pay for dinner. You know, I'll be classy. She goes, you're a f***ing simp. I'm like, what?
She knows what she wants.
She just dude, I feel f***ing good now. Yeah. I was in a 2-year relationship. I'm honors out of it. I'm in a 6-year right now. So, I need a different exhaust. Why? Sounds good.
That's like the cheapest one you can get on this bike.
But that shit's like, if you really want to buy it on Amazon, it's like $250.
I would get a tune before then, because I've heard on like forums and stuff of people melting the heads.
I really gotta do valves. I really gotta do
valves and the fork.
Oh yeah, that fork's probably very important. It's raining, by the way. I don't know if you.
I felt that.
Now I gotta go home and clean it for the second time.
Just clean it on like Sunday or Monday. Let's follow him until we break away. We're gonna follow you until you break away. That S1000 looks so good. Oh, I just can't believe it. It's so quiet. We could barely hear it. But wow, that bike just looks good, man. Look at that in the dark, the black and the red. This is so cool. It looks so good. All the water reflections and everything. All right, let's go. Oh, I guess they're driving really safe. I was gonna say, well, I don't know why they sat back there for so long, but I'm assuming he's just driving super safe because of the conditions, which is fair. That is so ridiculous. Alright guys, chill. Come on, you weren't... Oh, Lorenzo, what are you doing, buddy? Come on. There he goes. God damn it. Guys! I got a car coming over. Like, I'm just trying to keep up with my buddies now. Yeah, so Lorenzo just kind of took off on us, left us in the dust, so I'm just going to assume that he's off doing his own thing, and we're not going to be able to keep up with him. I don't think it's necessarily because of the sheer speed of the S1000. Obviously, I think it's part of it. but also because of just the sheer recklessness of that type of stuff. I don't really want to do that. I'm not ready to take that risk just yet this early into the next season. So you simply cannot keep up with certain people like that. Why is it still raining?
Went under the awning. It's still raining.
I don't know. They said it wasn't supposed to.
It wasn't supposed to be like this. This might be my last ride ever on this bike, which would be very unfortunate considering how it got treated this last run. It got trudged through mud, salt, dirt, just everything. Water, rain. Just the worst conditions you could ever put a motorcycle in. Why do you do the things that you do? Why do you do the things that you do? I said, I'm taking it easy. I'm just glad to be out here.
I'm just fucking doing whatever I'm doing.
What? I'm sad that you couldn't be out with. I'm sad that you couldn't be out with us earlier.
Oh, I know.
It's all right. We'll be out like Sunday, Monday.
Yeah.
Be fine. Yeah.
We'll get another one.
Yeah. Farewell, buddy. It was a good ride. I just wish it could be longer. There we go. That probably didn't get up on camera. That was a huge flame. In fact, I think I could smell it. Jesus. Whew. For a year and a half now, I've owned this bike. Moving on to bigger and better things. I will definitely miss this bike, though, for sure. Even though I get it, it's not the best bike in the world. It's not the quickest. It's not the most stable. It's a good bike, though. I think it's better than most. I just need different things. I need to try out different stuff, and it's okay. It's like a breakup, man. I'm like talking like this is like it's a breakup. Like I'm breaking up with the bike. It's okay. I think I'm just trying to convey to you guys the best way possible why I want to get rid of it and want to get something different.
Disgusting and muddy. My clothes, everything. Okay, so with that, there was literally so much to film today. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna be like the main outro for whatever I decide to do. And I hope you guys kind of just enjoyed watching me and coming along with me for a ride for literally the first time ever. I think that was a pretty good summary of like what a ride actually looks like for me. I try to stay out as long as possible whenever I get the chance to actually go out. I love doing what I do. And I hope you guys kind of got a kick out of it too. Today's video is pretty much over. Subscribe if you want to see more. Like the video if you guys actually enjoyed seeing me on a ride for one time. And with that, I will see you guys next time. Bye.